Hi everyone, my name is Drew and I'm excited to share my journey with Dorian Trader. Currently, I work as a licensed clinical social worker in private practice. I specialize in psychotherapy with adults, teens, and children, and work with people involved in high-conflict, court-involved child custody disputes. While my work is fulfilling and interesting, it's also demanding. And additionally, I enjoy options trading along with the increased flexibility and financial independence that it can provide. I've been learning options trading for the past 9 years and have been a member of Dorian Trader for the past year and a half. Trading engages the mathematically analytic side of my brain, which I believe benefits my cognitive health as I get older. Dorian Trader has provided me with invaluable support and knowledge, helping me improve my trading strategies and risk management. The collaborative environment and new relationships from online connections, local gatherings, and yearly retreats have been wonderful. As the Dorian Trader Ambassador for the San Francisco Bay Area, I'm proud to represent and help connect our community. Being part of Dorian Trader has been transformative. I look forward to continuing this journey and contributing to our successes. Thank you for watching and happy trading.